Hi friends, welcome to World Explorer. Again, the most asked question from my students is which is the best book to prepare for the NORCET exam? So, to avoid the confusion and to clear the doubts, I am going to give some guidance related to this. Now, NORCET is an exam which is happening all over India and it's of having very high and tough competition. So even 1 mark is equal to 4000 to 5000 ranks. So it is better for you to have a good strategy and also to have good material with you. I am not going to give any brand name or any textbook name, but I suggest you to find a good NCLEX book and get the information from it, because NCLEX is tougher than NCLEX, and nowadays AIMS exam is very tough and it's very difficult to crack. So even luck is having a great role, and hard work always help you. So next thing is glossary. Glossary means you should be able to get the glossary from each and every textbook of all the subjects and have one glossary. This will help you to have at least basic idea of each and every topic, and ensure to get all the tables, figures, and some of the important points from the textbook and make your own notes. And the key points at the end of every chapter you are going to see some of the few points. So these points are also of high yielding in the exams. And next thing is some of the material available like NCLEX bulletins. So such type of material will help you so much. And even RN notes, critical care notes, such type of books are available. And next thing is make your own mnemonics. Even social media has so many mnemonics, so try to follow those pages and try to get the guidance from them, or also take mnemonics or prepare your own mnemonics. This is really going to help in exam and save time saving to you. And next thing is nursing notes. Whatever the notes you have prepared during your study, try to just revise it, because nursing notes is very good information, because this is been taught to you by a great teachers of India. So that is very good for you to clear the exam. And next thing is try to follow some good YouTube channels. So even this is going to help you, and I recommend you to see all the nursing and medicine videos from my YouTube channel, and the topics which I am going to upload in the next few days. So own notes is superior than all the study materials. Develop core concepts, not just the theory which you are reading. For example, let's take an example of IV fluid calculation. In our class we teach that 15 megadrops or 60 microdrops is equal to 1 ml. But in the exam it is not going to be like that. They may be changing the drop factor. They may be asking like 1 ml is equal to 20 drop, or they may say that blood transfusion set, it is having 1 ml is equal to 10 drops. So they may ask anything. So you should develop the core concept instead of focusing on the just theory. And next thing is questions will be concept based and not the same question based, and that is nothing but they are going to ask you application based questions, and try to find the rationale for everything you learn. For example, what is the reason for hyperkalemia even the patient is normal and no symptoms is present in patient? So it may be because of rupture of blood cells, because of the blood collection time we are going to push the blood into the vial. So because of this there may be damage to the cell, and there may be potassium released from the intracellular to the extra or serum. Then this is the cause of hyperkalemia. So such type of rationale we should be able to understand. So that is how we are going to crack that 1 mark which is crossing you 4000 ranks ahead of your colleagues. So have your own strategy, prepare well, and all the best for your exams. Thank you. Subscribe, like, comment and share to your well wishers. Thank you.